everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Happy Tuesday. I hope that you are doing well and I am happy that you are here with me today. And I know that I was supposed to do this yesterday, but life happened and it was just crazy busy yesterday. I did put up a video on the basics of junk journaling yesterday, and I meant to record another one to give you the preview of the prize that we will be drawing this week. But I was very tired after a long day. So anyways, I am here today and I will give you the preview of what will be drawn for on Saturday or on Sunday. I am not going to do this on Friday, which I am supposed to, but because I'm late today, it was supposed to be yesterday, so I'm giving it another day. So, to attract more subscribers or more viewers to hopefully join the giveaway. So this is again for my Road to 3,000 subscribers series of giveaways, and my numbers are going up. And I am very thankful for all your support. Thank you for also going over to my Instagram account to follow me. My Instagram followers numbers actually doubled up and I'm very thankful. I don't really use Instagram so much. I have not mastered Instagram. I actually just started also sharing stories. I do not post every day. I try to now that I gained followers. So I am going to hopefully post more than once a day. Actually, today I haven't even posted anything. But thanks for all your support and for sharing my giveaways in your stories and for commenting, liking my posts. So thanks so much. I appreciate that. So here on YouTube, I believe I am still looking for 100. I think 150 or so subscribers to finally achieve my channel goal of 3,000 subscribers. But I have time. That is my channel goal for the year 2021. So September, October, November, December, yes, we have time. I wish that I could achieve that much sooner because I'm giving this giveaway every Friday, but I'm just happy to be here with you. So I know that some of you are just here for the taking, and that is normal and that's fine because every time you do a giveaway, that is going to happen. You're attracting people who are really not viewing or really not here to stay, and it's okay because that is given. But I also know that I have, from all of you, I have people who are really following and viewing and supporting my channel. So that is what matters most. I am actually happy on how my channel is doing right now compared to previous months. Before, I was getting a lot of views in my craft fair ideas and all that, and I went on a 3-year break. So when I came back, it was kind of hard to get my subscribers back to viewing my videos. And sometimes I would get 50 views, 40 views, 60 views. And that to me before was kind of like, okay, it's still big, it's not just me and my family watching my videos, but I have a few bunch of people who also watch. But now I think that my subscribers are really getting more engaged. I'm getting more comments and more likes, and I am thankful for that. And hopefully my views will also go up as I do some more tutorials. And if you are a YouTuber like me, you have contents in your channel, you understand how it is that I'm feeling when you get likes and comments, right? It's just a happy feeling, and when you get views. So hopefully our channels continue to grow. I also make sure that I follow and I subscribe to my subscribers who are uploading or who have contents in their channels. But if I miss you, or if you see that I am not subscribed to your channel, please email me and I will go right away and subscribe, because sometimes I do not get notifications, or we miss people who are subscribed and we don't subscribe back. So I do not want to be doing that to you. So message me if you think that I am not subscribed to your channel and you are uploading and trying to grow your channel. Okay, so now I am going to show you what I am giving away on Saturday or on Sunday, and this is my prayer journal. Now, this is not handmade. I bought this and I love using this. I have one of these that I am also using every day. This is a 120 days of prayer, reflection, and praise. And religion does not matter here, because I believe that we only have one God, and the pages are just really wonderful. So you have dates, and then my praise to God. I ask God for forgiveness. I am thankful for, requests to God, and then verse for today, prayers for others, and then I am thankful for. So really beautiful. This is perfect quiet time companion, and it will inspire you to record your daily prayer requests, praise to God, and being grateful. So this is a beautiful guide to your spiritual journey. When I started selling my journals in my Etsy shop, the very first journals that I ever sold were my faith and praise journals and gratitude journals. And my inspirations came from store-bought books like this. So I hope that whoever wins will appreciate this, because this is a nice blessing. And if for some reasons you do not want to use this, give this to somebody from your family or your circle of friends who may appreciate this, and that will really be awesome. So there you go. This is the price on Saturday or on Sunday. I don't know what time I will be doing the draw. Depends on my hubby. On weekends, that's the only time we go away. So I am going to try to record the drawing before we leave, if we ever go somewhere. We really try to enjoy the outdoors on weekends when he's not working, because I know snow is coming soon. You are probably saying there out loud, oh, come on, Nelda, do not ever talk about snow yet. Fall comes first. And yes, that is so true. Oh, before I forget, we may do a redraw on Saturday, because the winner of the 75 yards of seam binding has not emailed me yet with the address. So I am not sure what's going on. I hope that all is well with the winner, but we have to give that away, because I know that that is so much liked based on the emails and the comments that I got. So we may do another draw, and hopefully that will be claimed. And before I end this video, I'd like to show you something. So you probably are wondering about this wooden table, because I've got comments. Even my grandson, when he came over to visit my place, he was looking for this wooden table. So I said, what are you looking for? And then he said, where is the table that you use when you record? And he said that he likes it. So I'm going to show you what this is. All right, so this is where I record, and look, this is it. This is a backdrop, and a beautiful backdrop. I have two backdrops that I use. I mostly like this one. The other one is kind of like as big as a curtain, and I got this from Amazon, and I will also put the link in my description if you ever wonder about this and you want to check the price, because I don't remember, but I like this. And it makes you think that I have this beautiful wooden table. So that's my secret. Now you know. So it is no longer a secret. All right, let's put this back. There you go. Okay, everyone. I am going to walk my dog now because you can hear him just walking everywhere here close to me because he wants to go out. I will see you again next time. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time. And of course, thank you for watching.